Hi kindergartners, we're going to talk about the science behind our cooking experiment today. So we are going to be taking yogurt and adding a whole bunch of stuff to it, and then we're going to put it in the freezer. And yogurt is kind of a liquid because it takes on the shape of its container. Like when I get a cup of yogurt, it's in the shape of the cup. And so we're going to talk about what's going to happen when that yogurt freezes. So all things are made of tiny little pieces called molecules. Molecules are in everything. They're in me, they're in you, they're in the floor, they're in the air around us. Everything is made of some kind of molecule. They're kind of like puzzle pieces that make things, or like Legos that build things. Well, molecules are really small and you can't really see them individually unless you have a microscope. So a liquid, which is what our yogurt is, has molecules in it, and these molecules are moving around. Just like if these marbles were molecules, like they move around in this container. Like this molecule could trade places with this one because they're able to move. That's kind of how a liquid is. When I have liquid, this is water in a cup, it moves with the cup. And if I took this water and poured it on the floor, it would take the shape of the floor. And if I poured it into a bowl, it would take on the shape of the bowl. Because the molecules in the liquid can move around and trade places with each other. Well, when something freezes, the molecules get really, really cold. And they get so cold that they stop moving around and they get stuck wherever they are. And that turns those molecules into a solid. So this was liquid water, but then I put it in the freezer and now it's a solid. The molecules are no longer moving around in there, and they take on the shape of whatever shape it was when I froze them. So even though I put the ice cubes into the glass, they don't take on the shape of the glass. They stay the same shape as the ice cube originally was. This water moves and takes on the shape of the glass. This water doesn't. It stays the same shape as the ice cube because it's now a solid. Okay? So today, we are going to turn liquid into a solid, liquid yogurt into solid yogurt, and then we will eat it. So I hope you have fun and enjoy this for a nice summertime treat.